Today we want to create a logout functionality for the admin, student, and teachers dashboard. I want to beautify the dashboard. So let's start out by creating a logout button for each of these dashboards. So by default, Laravel Breeze provides us a default logout button and functionality. Sorry. So let me show you using the route list. So let me come here and terminate this. Let me clear this terminal. So if you want to check the route list again one more time, you say PHP artisan route list. So you check for the logout, just like what we did for login. So this is the logout, and it is the same authenticated section controller, and the method is destroy, the destroy method. So we are going to go to that place and use that for the logout functionality. So let's get started. So now that we know the default Laravel Breeze logout functionality, so I will go to my page. Let me close this so that it will not be populated. So this is the authenticated section controller, and this is the method, the display method that is responsible for the logout. You can see the logout. This is what I need to log out a user from the application. So to get started, I will go to my resources. In the resources, I'll click on views to get each of the files. So I'll start with the admin. This is the admin folder, and this is the admin dashboard. So here I want to add a button. So before I add a button, let me beautify this particular admin dashboard. Or let me go to the button, then I'll beautify it. So here I'll just put the button for logout. I'll just come here and say button. Then I'll say logout. Logout. Just call it logout button. So let me use the bootstrap CDN so that I can verify that easily. So here I'll go check for bootstrap. So read the doc. So I want to use the bootstrap CDN so that I can verify. Okay, so I'll copy the CDN from bootstrap and I'll paste it in the title here. Let me just type this as admin login, admin dashboard. Admin dashboard. So I paste it here from bootstrap. That's the CDN from bootstrap. I paste that here. The CDN from bootstrap. So I can paste it here. I can paste it here. So here I'll put the type. Let me put the type as button. Or submit. Let me put the type as submit. So here I'll give it a bootstrap class of BTN danger, BTN danger, BTN danger, BTN danger. So yeah, I will save this. Then obviously here I'm going to, so instead of me giving this a button class, I will rather come here and put an icon link, an icon tag. So I'll change this button to an icon tag. I'll change the button to an icon tag. So here will be icon tag. So this will be href. The href where I want it to go. I want to create a route for the logout. So I'll give this route and I'll call this admin logout. Admin.logout. Admin.logout. That is a route. So meaning I'm going to create this route called admin logout in my web.php. So I'll copy this route and go to my web.php and go create that route. So yeah, I'll come here and I'll say route gets the /admin. So I'll give this logout admin /logout. Then this will be, then I'll put my admin.logout here. So this is the method admin logout, and this is the path admin /logout. So mean I'm going to create a logout method inside my admin controller. So I'll go to my admin controller and go create that. So let me go to my admin controller. So this is my admin controller. I'll click it. So here I'll create logout. So without wasting much time, logout is very simple. So you just go to the authenticated session controller where we created our logic. So you see a method called destroy. This method called destroy. Copy this code and go to your admin controller and paste it here. So you're going to change this to admin logouts, because that's the method we use in our web.php. Admin logouts. Admin logouts. So I don't need this redirect response here. So this auth, you have to import it from Illuminate support facades, and so I'll import it. So it has been imported, that auth. Consider that. So after doing this, where do you want to redirect it to? I want to redirect this to the home page. You can redirect it to the login page if you like, but I just want to redirect it to the home page. That's why I'm putting return redirect to the home page. So that's what I've done for the admin. So let me do the same thing for the teacher. So yeah, I'll go to the teachers folder, which is inside the view. Teacher. So I'll click on the teacher dashboard. So let me just copy that, the one for the admin, so that I won't waste much time here. I'll just come here and I copy this. I'll go to the teacher. Also, I will need the bootstrap. So this is the teacher dashboard. I'll paste it here. Then I need the bootstrap CDN. So I'll copy the bootstrap CDN and I'll paste it in the teacher's dashboard. So let me change this to teacher dashboard. The title as teacher dashboard. Teacher's dashboard. Then I'll put this. Okay. So this one will be teacher.logouts. Teacher.logouts. So meaning I'm going to create a route, just like what we did for admin dashboard. So let me save also so that I can close some some tabs. So let me come here and close this. So I'll go to the web.php. Exactly what I've done for admin is what I will do for teacher dashboard. So yeah, I'll come here and say routes, teacher.logouts, teacher logout method, then teacher/logouts. So the same thing. So this is the method teacher logouts. So meaning I will go to my teacher controller and do the same thing. So the teacher controller, this is your teacher controller. So you come here and you say logouts, teacher logouts. So I'll go to my authenticated session controller here, copy the same code again, and go to the teacher controller and paste. So I'll remove this redirect response. I don't need it. So the auth, you have to import this auth. So I've imported the auth, which is from Illuminate support facades. Then this destroy, you will change it to teacher logout. Teacher logout. Okay, good. So I'll do the same thing for the students. So I'll go to the student folder, which is this one. So I'll copy the bootstrap CDN and paste it in the student dashboard. So I'll change it to student dashboard. The title, as change it to student dashboard. Student dashboard. So I'm going to paste this. Okay, so I'll put the button. That was much time. I'll just come here and get the button here, which is logout. So I'll go to student dashboard and paste the button here for logouts. So I'll change this to student.logouts, similar to what we've done earlier. So I'm going to create a route called student logouts. So let me save all so I can play and close some of this tab. So I will go to my web.php. So exactly what I've done earlier. So I'll repeat the same procedure. So this is going to be route student logout. So you can see I've gotten that route student logout. So yeah, I'll copy the student logout method and do the same thing. So what that means is that I'll go to the student controller and go copy this exact code here. So I'll go to my student controller, which is this one here. So let me copy this code from the authenticated session controller. So student controller here. So I'm going to call this student logout. Student logout. I'll paste this. So I don't need the redirect response. I have to import the auth from Illuminate facades. So I'll change this to student destroy. Sorry, student logout, not destroy. Student logout. which is the method in our web.php. So that's basically all I need to do here. So let me save all and let's go try if this is working. Okay, so I'll go to my browser. So let me refresh this. Sorry, I've not started my server. I have to start the server. So let me start my Laravel server. So I'll say PHP artisan serve to start your server. So I've started my server. So I refresh that dashboard so I can log out. Okay, so this is the student dashboard. So when I click on logout, I should be taken to the home page. I'll click on the logout so you can see I have logged out the student. So if I click on login now, let me log in with an admin now. admin@gmail.com. Then the password 111. Sorry, 123. 123. Click on login. Beautiful. You can see I am in the admin dashboard. So let me log out now. So I've logged out. Let me now log in as a teacher. Login. So I'll put the teacher's email. So I'll put the password 123. I log in as a teacher. This is fantastic. So you can see that we've created the dashboard and the logout functionality for each rule attached to the user. So let me quickly just do some designs on the dashboard so that it will look a little bit prettier than what is obtainable there. So let me start with the student dashboard. So what I will do, I will just put some styling to make it look beautiful. So here I will come here and put a div. In this div, I'll give this a class of container or BG. Let me just give it a class of container fluid. Container fluid, a bootstrap class of container fluid. Then give this BG. Let me just give BG. Let me say BG container. BG container. So I'll put this here. So let me now work on this BG container. Let me use CSS to work on this BG container. So I will put an internal CSS styling. So let me just do this. So I'll give this a class of BG container. BG container. So what style do I want to put? Okay. So I'll put a background. I'll give it a background. Just a background. Let me use a background. I'll use a linear gradients. Linear gradients of RGBA. 0, 0, 0, 0 point, let me say 0.7. Repeat the same procedure. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.7. 0.7. So I need an image. I don't have an image here. Let me get an image online. Just a dummy image from, let me say, from Pixels or from Pixabay. Let me use from FreePic. I'll go to FreePic and look for an image that I can easily use. So I'll search for student. Oh, sorry, photo. Okay. So let me take this one. I think I like this one. Let me open it. Okay. So let me just use the URL. Let me just open this on a web tab. Okay. So let me just copy the image URL. Let me just say copy image address. So I copy the image address, then I come here and I say URL. I want to put an image. Okay, that's the image. I've just placed that. Just place the image there. So let me give it a height. Sorry, I have to put my semicolon, put a semicolon there. So I'll give it a height of, let me say, a height of 30 viewport height. 30 viewport height. Background size, let me say background size cover, background position, let me say background attachment to be fixed, background attachment fixed. Okay, so let me keep it simple this way. So let me now get to do the H1. So I will come here and I'll say H1. I'll just give it a text align setter, color, margin top 10%, font size. Let me just say the font size. Let me say font family also. The font family, let me just say what What font family should I use? Let me just use any font family. Okay. Then I'll say the font size. The font size as, let me just come here and say 2rem. 2rem. So let me save all and let me see how the student dashboard will look like. So I go to my student dashboard and refresh this. Oh, did I save that? Oh, that's the teacher dashboard. Let me log out to the students. So let me log out the teacher's dashboard. So let me log in as a student now. So I'll log in as a student at gmail.com. Password 123. Then login. That's awesome, beautiful. So I think we've done this student dashboard. Let me take it to the top. Let me take it to the top so that let me take it to the top. Let me take the margin off, margin top, take this margin off there. So let me take it to the top and let me refresh the browser. Okay, it's now at the top. So let me get the image. Let me put the image to be, let me increase the height to 70 viewport height. Then let me make the image to be contained instead of covered. Contained, contain. Let me save this and let's see how this is going to look like. Okay, so let me put this student's dashboard to the middle. Let me even make content. I don't like the content. Let me use the cover. I like the cover. It's going to cover everything. Then let me increase the size of the H1 to 3rem. Then put it to the, so I'll say padding top. Padding top. Let me just say padding top to bottom 50 pixels. Then 0. And so let me save this and let me see how this is going to look like now. Okay, it's taking shape. Let me increase the padding top again to, let's say, 80. Then increase this to the height to be 80 viewport height. So I increase this. Okay, I think it's better this way. So we have the student dashboard. So it's taking, I think I like it this way. Student dashboard is here. So I can increase the opacity to maybe, let me say 0.8 so that it will be darker than this. 0.8. I've increased the opacity. Okay, so that was brilliant. So I have this student dashboard. You can also make it to be at the center using your flex if you want to do that. So, but this is not a front-end class. So I'll just come here and put 120 top to bottom 120. So let me refresh that. Okay, I think this is better. So this is the student dashboard. So I'll do the same thing for the admin and the other one so it look beautiful. So I'll log out now from student dashboard. So let me repeat the same procedure for the other guys. So I will copy this and go do it for students, for teachers dashboard and student dashboard, for admin dashboard. So I'll just copy, paste that. So I'll change this teacher. So I'll change this to teacher. And this is teachers dashboard. Teacher dashboard or teacher's dashboard or teacher's dashboard. Let me say teacher's dashboard, no problem. So yeah, I'll do the same thing for the admin dashboard. So I'll change this to admin dashboard. Admin dashboard. So this will be admin.logout. Okay. So I think that's all. That's all. So let me save everything and let's go play and let's go see how this is going to look like on our browser. So I'll refresh this. So I'll log in as an admin now. So I'll say admin@gmail.com. Password 123. So I log in. Awesome. You can see I am in the admin dashboard. So I'm going to log out now. So I've logged out. I want to log in as a teacher. Click on login. So I'll click teacher@gmail.com. Password 123. So I click on login. Fantastic. The teacher's dashboard. So I log out again. So I go look for the student dashboard. So I'll log in as a student. So student@gmail.com. Password is 123. So I click on login. Awesome. So you can see how we are able to achieve this result. So this is how you create a multi-authentication system using Laravel Breeze. So I hope this video is helpful. Please try and like, share this video, and make sure you comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more programming videos. Please, thanks very much.